Hello guys, so let me tell you guys something. I want to gist you guys on what Netflix did to me this morning. Yeah, actually, they did something to me that just reminded me of something, right? So they did something to me that reminded me of something. So watch this video till the end. You learn what Netflix did to me that can turn you into a millionaire. Seriously, I'm serious. Okay, so this morning while I was listening um Gary V via my audiobook app, I just saw a debit alert of 5,000 naira. What? Like I was like, okay, have they hacked my bank account or what's happening? For God's sake, I did not buy anything. I did not place order for anything. So where is this debit alert coming from? Like sometimes when those bad guys want to deal with you, they start by doing a test on your account. You can just see 2K go first. They say, it don't work, it don't work. They start wiping out your account. So when I saw 5,000 naira debit alert and I did not buy anything, I did not do anything, I was like, what the? Complete it by yourself. So I went to my description to see what happened. And I saw a description that says Netflix, blah, 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 blah. So, oh, Netflix. You know why they did that? Because I am on their subscription. So every month, they don't even need to ask me, they don't even need to call me. They just surcharge me. Like they just take their money every month. So for every 30 days, Netflix takes 5,000 naira from me. They don't need to advertise to get me as a customer again. They don't need to even talk to me, like try to convince me to be on their subscription. They just surcharge me. Now, what can you do to also have a business model where people get to pay every month for your service? This can be applied to a knowledgepreneur. You can have your knowledge business structured in such a way that your customers they pay every month for your content. This is real. Yes, you can do it. It's called membership, right? You design your program in such a way that instead of people paying a one time payment, they get to pay every month, which gives you the opportunity to generate recurring stream of income, which is have been one of the best form of income to make. One of the best form of incomes to make. With recurring incomes, you don't need to crack your brain wondering how much you are going to make the next month because you can forecast. In as much as you are doing the right thing, you are providing enough value and you are not having drop rates. Recurring income stream is amazing. It's amazing. So that is what people like Netflix they do. I also have Starlink. Every single month, I give those guys 38,000 naira for data. Every single month. That one I have to literally make sure that there is money in that account. Like the way it works is once they see the money in that particular account, they just take it. They don't talk to you, they don't negotiate with you, right? But you can cancel anyway. You have the opportunity to cancel. You say, no, I don't want to pay 38,000 naira this month. You just go and cancel. But of course, I'm using the data, unlimited data, super fast internet. I want it. I want it. So I pay for it. So if your product or service or program is valuable, so much valuable, you can break it down into a subscription model kind of system that generates money for you every single month. Right? I'm thinking like I'm going to be doing so much research into that area. I know about membership, but man, I want to do more research and probably test run it, right? So I can teach you how to also implement it in your business. So apart from just instead of just creating an online course, which works, on an online course can bring in big money at a time, you can also structure your business and make it a subscription kind of business where people get to pay every month to access your wealth of knowledge. And of course, you too can do that. I tell people that the easiest way to become a multi-millionaire is through knowledge monetization, and it's truth because knowledge monetization gives you many avenues to wealth. Like you can take that online course that you currently have and convert it into a membership or a subscription kind of program where people instead of paying a one-time fee, they get to pay a recurring fee bit by bit. Like let's say instead of you charging 100,000 for that program, you can get people to pay 10,000 naira every month. And guess what? After in 10 months, you have also made that 100,000. Oh. But the good news is, after that 10 months, it continues. So you can have somebody um 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 be on your membership for 10 years. Imagine that somebody can be on your membership for 10 years, paying you 10,000 naira every month. One person, do the math. 10,000 times 10 years every month. In 10 years, we are going to have 120 months. So do 120 months times 10,000. That is about 12 million or so, if I'm not mistaken. You can do the math, right? So that is how fantastic the subscription business model is. But everything starts with an idea, right? You first figure out that thing you are very good at, then you get to choose if you want to put it out as an online course or as membership. The choice is yours. But don't worry, I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. Just keep following me. If just keep following me, because more you are going to learn so much. And I'm not kidding. There's a video on my YouTube channel where I explained the easiest way to make millions online. In case you want to see that video, comment comment UB. Just comment UB and I'll send you the direct link to that video on YouTube. All right. So you can see why this is really the easiest way to make millions online. If you are in Nigeria, the truth is, if we want to tell ourselves the truth, it is not easy, right? The economy is trying to crush people. But then some of us have this bulletproof income where no matter what the economy says, it doesn't get at us, right? It's not affecting us. And that's because we are knowledgepreneurs. We know how to give value and get paid for the result we produce. We know how to help others get what they want, and as a result of that, get what we want. That is what you should be doing. And I'm serious. I'll teach you how to do that. Just keep following me. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye.